is important. Once you realize what it is that it costs you to operate, that's what you need to look at. Gather that information like this man said, lay it all out, be honest with yourself, and this program works. I just want to tell you, we're from Grant Park, Illinois, and we run Blade Runners Lawn Services, and that day did change our business aspects, changed everything. It was a time where it was a struggle for us. All the things that Wayne was sharing with us, we knew it was a part of our business. One of the major things that he had shared with us is that he had mentioned that they're not going to believe that you're a professional if you don't believe you're a professional. We took that to heart, and we looked like everybody else, we talked like everybody else, and so our business wasn't really growing. But I can remember that day and hearing Wayne speak about his program and all the things that it would provide for our needs. And in the moment, not really knowing Wayne, but just kind of having an idea when I'm talking to somebody, if they're honest with me, and I just felt like, maybe this would work. It was, I don't know, I can explain it as maybe surreal, but me and Rita decided that we were scratching over the winter, like most of you guys out there and gals who were in this business, scratch through the winter to make things connect. We decided to go ahead and invest that $450, and we got home, and I took it, and I took it out of the truck, and I set it on the shelf. I didn't open it, I didn't look at it, and I went to business that next year, and through that whole time, it was just a bad year for us that next year, just like all the other previous years. And so when winter came, I told my son Reed, I said, Reed, we need to take a look at that program that Wayne had introduced to us, because there was a lot of things that he was sharing with us that really just wore on me. And I just knew living check to check and having more payments and not always being able to make those payments, and when something would break down, the struggle of trying to fix it, or maybe perhaps needing a new pickup truck to pull our trailer. And so all that weight was on us. And I had been in business since '99. What are we, 2020 now? We're in 2020 now, and when we had all the data that Wayne was talking about, what it would cost us to operate, the operating costs, and one of the major things he had said to us was, you're going to have to go back to your customers and tell them you need more money.
Yeah, that's
and that
right.
is very scary.
Yeah, you think you're going to lose everybody, right?
You're going to lose everybody. And I'm telling you, out of all our customers, and we were running, at that time, probably about 57 homes. We had about 5 or 6 major businesses, and then we had some cemeteries. And at that time, we had lost one customer. We went back, and that one customer decided that we were too high as it was, and as Wayne was telling us, that could happen. And if it does happen, it's because it's the customer you didn't need anyway. So I can't say enough about his product. I can't say enough about how it's changed our business. It's changed our life. Whenever there's a need, a piece of equipment, the money's in the bank. And that living dollar to dollar has gone away, and I think the major part of that whole program is we were that company that, hey, what's that guy doing? Hey, what's that guy doing? Hey, we got to beat that guy. We need to lower our price so we can get that. But once you realize, this is important. Once you realize what it is that it costs you to operate, that's what you need to look at. Gather that information like this man says, lay it all out, be honest with yourself, and this program works.